Welcome back, guys. So today we are going to unbox this. This is some of the gift set that my wife got for maybe a birthday present. So there are many of gift set in here. I'm not sure what is it, but I'm gonna do a surprise unboxing. So yeah, let's go ahead and do this. Hopefully the invoice is not in here. So anyway, let's go ahead and open this up. This looks like a wooden train set, almost like a Thomas, the choo-choo train. Well, of course, I cannot unbox or open the package, so. And then there's this one, Umbra body hooks, set of 3. So you probably need to, yeah, they are like screws. You need to hook this on the wall. So there are like 3 different colors in here. And here is looks like the same Umbra drinking buddy. Also, this one you hook on the glass, so you don't mix up with your other friends or family when you have birthday parties over at your house. For like a gathering, so. And then there's a bottle cap right there. And this is made in China. And then this is like I'm not sure what this is. Flower. Let's check it out here. Artificial flower. It's a wine charm. Oh, so it is similar to this. You tie this or loop around on the glass. It's a wine charm. So again, this is made in China. And there is your barcode. See what else is in here. 2 more boxes. Sweetwater decor. Oh wow, look at that. Not sure it's like a plate or a soap dish or something that he uses for. Eyelashes with the lips. And you have the gold around the border right here. It's pretty awesome. And this one's probably all made in China. Designed in the USA. Hand wash only. And made in China. Sweetwaterdecor.com. Alright, so this is the last one. Oh, made in Taiwan. Nice. That's from my country. Aquatic rain. J for joy. Holder, jewelry dish. Trinket tray. Amazing Abbey. Alright, so let's go ahead and open this up. Amazing Abbey. So it's like a plastic, clear, and then a letter J. And then that's it. So let's see what we could open without damaging the package. So this one we cannot open, unfortunately. It's a plastic seal. So you got the red train, green, yellow. And here, those are magnetic. Wooden transit, a gray collection of 12 colorful pieces. Wooden display included, compatible with the most wooden railway system. Connectable car with the magnetic joint, solid wood construction, all aboard for delightful playtime. And this is made in China. Well, this is just a person right there with all the different colors. And it holds it on your glass like that. So yeah, on this one, I'm just gonna leave the way it is. This might be a gift. So then this one is just the same thing. It's like a flower, and then you loop around to the main section right there with the stem of the rubber, green stem, and then that's how you loop it. I think this one I could open it up. So there you go. So here we put the screws. Just hook it like that. Here's another one. And it is made in China. There are two screws right here on the arm and then leg of the foot. This one I think I could just slide out. Yep. And then there's two screw hole right there. Let's see what's in here. So the screw, and then mounting the anchor right there. Okay. They even come with the paper ruler. Funny. I believe those centimeter and inches. So here are the templates. Right? Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. Thank you for watching, and then I will see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.